Welcome to BSoft Solutions. In this video, we're introducing our Tally Customized Report, Voucher-Wise Consolidated Stock Report. Let's start by configuring the Tally add-on. First, copy the path of your TCP file and then configure it inside Tally Prime by loading the add-on. Once the add-on is loaded successfully, you can begin using the report. Now go to Display More Reports and open the Voucher-Wise Consolidated Stock Report. This report helps you view the consolidated quantity and value of stock items across different voucher types, such as sales, purchase, credit note, debit note, and other vouchers. It simplifies stock analysis and improves decision-making, while saving time by eliminating detailed voucher-level verification. Along with this, you can also view consolidated stock quantity and values by details month-wise, date-wise, voucher number-wise, and party-wise, all in a single report. Let us now explore the different options and buttons available in this report. Configure button. Using the Configure button, you can customize the report by showing or hiding the columns such as stock group, category, quantity, rate, amount. Also here, you can choose whether to include credit notes and debit notes to show the actual sales and purchase values. You can also choose the sorting method for the report. Change Voucher button. This allows you to select and view report for a specific voucher type, like sales or purchase or credit note and others. Month-wise button. Use this month-wise button to view consolidated stock totals by month-wise, and it's helpful for month-on-month stock tracking. Date-wise button. Use this date-wise button to view consolidated stock totals by date, and it's helpful for day-to-day stock tracking. Voucher number-wise button. This option displays stock totals voucher number-wise, and it's useful for audit and verification. Party-wise button. This option displays the consolidated stock details by party-wise to understand which party is linked to which stock items. Stocks Change View button. Using Stock Change View button, you can switch between viewing the reports by stock item-wise, stock group-wise, and stock category-wise. Parties Change View button. Using Party Change View button, you can switch between viewing the reports by party account-wise, party group-wise, parent group-wise, PIN code and state-wise. Stock Item Filter button. This helps you filter and view only selected stock items in the report. Stock Group Filter button. Use this button to filter the report based on a particular stock group. Stock Category Filter button. This allows you to filter the report according to selected stock categories. Party Name-Wise button. With this button, you can filter and view data for a specific party account ledger. Party Group-Wise button. Using the Group Name button, you can filter parties based on their accounting groups. State Name button. With this button, you can filter and view report for a specific party state-wise. Stock-Related Reports button. This button provides quick access to important stock-related reports such as Stock Master, Stock Monthly Summary, Stock Query, Stock Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Purchase and Sales Bill Spending, Purchase and Sales Order Spending. Ledger-Related Reports button. This button helps to quickly open all ledger-related reports such as Ledger Contact, Ledger Master, Ledger Monthly Summary, Ledger Outstanding, Ledger Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Overdue Payables and Receivables, Purchase and Sales Bills Outstanding, Purchase and Sales Order Outstanding. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for Tally customization, please connect with BSoft Solutions. See you in the next video.